this final light was meant to clinch a lifetime's argument that nothing comes from violence and nothing ever could.
For all that's born beneath an angry star, let's really forget how fragile we are. On and on the rain will fall like tears from the stars, like tears from the stars. On and on the rain will say how fragile we are, how fragile.